What's up guys, we're back with another video. In this video we're going on another charger. Again, you're targeting FLUKE on this charger. I did catch one that was looked like a couple inches off. I didn't measure it because then they said it was short, but I'm assuming it was 14-15 inches, so decently close. But we didn't catch that keeper. Hopefully we could before the season ends in late September. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned. Just flip this off. Just flip the button up and then just release it and let it sink to the bottom.
The pole the guy was saying.
Yeah.
The name.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Wanna get one? I think I'm gonna get one. Oh, that's it.
Maybe.
Come on, bud. Better get that one out. Sorry, yeah, Jay. Can I take a picture of it?
Yeah, sure.
I can say, hey, you should have seen that one. The mate, he let it go on me.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, just imagine. Oh my gosh. that gonna make it or not?
This one not gonna quite make it. Just they're getting a little bigger though. Going the right way.
No, I did. I just had one. It came off. That was a nice bite. No, I think I was on someone on the other side. Or that was a fish, I don't know. Alright guys, coming up here, I just thought this was really cool and I pointed out there's like sand on this fluke's belly, so I just want you to pay attention to that. 'Cause in my opinion, it was really cool. You could see it's been at the bottom. Yeah, look at that, it's really cool, so I just thought I'd point that out. So, unless that's something else, but looks like sand, just thought I'd point that out. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
Trick with these guys is trying to like keep that hook flat against his face. And if you just keep kind of spinning, they usually spin right out of there.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Yeah. Oh, dogfish.
Dogfish. Swing them right on up here, brother. One last.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and just to explain what I was using in this video, because on these charters, I really don't talk that much because I don't want to disturb people. You know, there's a lot of people on there. So I was using these gotcha grubs in a root beer gold color, and since they're unscented, I was actually putting them in the squid juice from the squid to scent them, and it actually worked. I caught most of my fish on those. And the second, I only caught one fluke on this. I was using the Berkeley 5-inch pink grubs. Since those are scented, I didn't have to do anything. But yeah, that's just what I was using. So yeah, see you in the next video. Peace.